Hey guys, welcome back. It's making slime part 3. Since we only have the 5-minute timer on the last two, it only runs for 5 minutes, so we're going to have 5 minutes apart. This is the third 5 minutes, the 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Part 3.
Let's go. So if you didn't see part 2, go watch that. But if you don't want to watch part 2, I understand my videos are cringy. But
I'm in it, so.
yeah, you should go watch it. If you didn't, we just started making another batch of slime. And we made blue butter slime with silver sparklies in it. And I'm joined with Izzy.
We've been bamboozled.
How?
Oh, no.
What? Is
Yeah.
is it slime or?
Shoot.
My dog needs my assistance. Back from the intermission. So am I supposed to mix it like this or?
Yeah.
Okay. Like knead it or just stir it?
Just stir it.
Okay, so I'm done kneading. I think it's pretty solid, literally.
You may figure it's legally.
Huh?
It's not actually solid.
Well, no, it is. It's a solid. It sticks together. Wait,
It's a liquid.
it does take shape. Oh, God. Leave your answers in the comments below for a chance to get featured on the next episode of Yai. I'm terrible. Shout out to you, Jax Films.
So, yeah, I'm just going through the slime that I bought. So far, it's good. I like it.
I got my hand in it. I didn't know.
Here.
Take it. I'm gonna wash my hands again. It's done?
3 minutes.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry.
You got some blue in it.
Hmm?
Got some blue in it, but.
Oh,
here.
okay.
But I had a little bit more of that stuff.
Oh, God.
Because I got most of it.
Wait, do we need more magical liquid? Or,
Yes.
okay.
Like just a little bit more, I guess.
Leave your answers in the comments below.
I'm gonna get some air out of this. Because I'm gonna go with air.
Does it dry?
Yeah.
Oh. That's another dog intermission. Please pause. I have kneaded it, and that's an ASMR within itself.
You wanna put it on here?
Yeah. Okay. Now for the
Wait. I'll do it.
I'm scared. Leave your answers in the comments below. It's coming. Okay. Get it out. Is it done? What? 10
seconds.
It is.